Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about scholarship program in Lancaster University. So this program is applying for undergraduate studies at Lancaster University. How to apply is a full-time undergraduate application should be made through UCAS website using UCAS Hub, and you will submit one UCAS application for all universities that you are applying to. As part of application, you will need to enter your personal detail, previous and current qualifications, and academic reference and personal statement. You cannot upload documents at UCAS application, but you are welcome to email any supporting documents to the admission team. You can get the email address here. If you are applying directly from school or college in UK, there should be a member of staff who can advise and guide you through the process. If you are applying for medicine and surgery, we recommend you to offer Lancaster Medical School page, as they provide specific advice on admission, some of which will differ from advice on the rest of this page. Okay, application deadline, as you can see here, if we are applying for medicine and surgery, or if one of the universities that we are applying to is Oxford or Cambridge, then you will need to submit your completed UCAS application. So that deadline is already passed. Okay, for all other courses at Lancaster University, the UCAS equal consideration deadline is 31 January 2024. At this point, we will accept the application for majority of the courses, but some may close to new applications, so please check here. Okay, and then final UCAS application deadline is 30 June. Decision on it submitted on this deadline, and then we may not have time to give your application full consideration. Okay, application received after 30 June are automatically entered into clearing. Okay, you may find it useful to refer when to apply here. Then Lancaster University application process. How we assess your application, you can take a look here. Qualification, grades, any period of study that did not result in qualification, academic referee, your personal statement. Then yeah, these are the additional information if you want to take a look. Part-time study and all these information. And if you will have any question, you can send an email here. If you will have any question related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. Of course, like I can't make videos so large, like okay, I discuss this application, how stepwise submit, then the video will be so long, for you to watch. So if you will have like any question while you will be submitting application, then you can ask me in the comment section. I respond to your queries. That will be more easy and convenient for you. You can also further take a look here. Just click on that link and you will take more information like when to apply. For example, if you click here, okay, and then it will take you the page about each program, and you can see the deadlines. See, 31 January and 16 October, as we have discussed before. You can also find courses here. You're ready to apply, then apply. Click here, for example, find courses. Then you will come here. You can take a look further what type of courses. Bachelor's degree, okay, and then you will take further about that. Part-time job, part-time study, full-time study, you can also take further here. And then when you will be ready, then you can just come back and apply. It will take you the dashboard where you need to sign in and submit your application. You will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.